What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. How you guys doing? I'm doing all right, and we are back once again. What another slime video. Yesterday, guys, I asked for 7 likes. No, 7. I asked for 7 likes yesterday, and we blew past that. I'm so sorry because I keep on doubting you guys. But anyways, if this video get at least 8 likes, we're gonna drop another slime back to back. You guys know the grind never stops. I got my beautiful wife right over here. How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
And look who joining us today, y'all. We got Mr. Rodney in the building. How you doing, bro? You good? All right, so today is that day. We are about to wait. You want to tell them what we're doing?
No, you go ahead.
I'm out of breath. I gotta eat. I'm out of breath.
Today is the day where we're going to mix all of our slimes together.
Man.
We have these two and we have these two right here.
What's in there?
Those slimes. And then we're gonna try and create the biggest bubble. Ew.
Yeah.
Ew.
Oh, it's like webs. It's like spider webs, bro.
I don't know if that's okay.
Oh, what it smell like? What it smell like, Rodney?
Slime.
I think it's just like.
Oh.
Oh well, we're gonna
It's
try.
good up under there though.
So we're gonna take the top off.
Yeah, probably.
Yo, why does it look like? Ouch! I keep hitting my head on this shit.
Look.
Oh my gosh! This is like a.
It's like a top coat. Like,
Yeah, it's like a
a
snake.
Slime under it.
Saving the slime. Yeah. Guys, so yesterday Biannca made this slime, I made this slime, but we did not put no lids on these slimes. Yeah. But there has been lids on this slime, and I thought we must be doing something wrong.
Yes, I thought when you put lids, it's supposed to still look like regular slime, but
we must need like different containers or something. Yeah, because I think these, because I
like that.
Yeah, y'all, look at this slime over here. Look at this slime.
Oh wait, that doesn't look right either.
Yeah, but feel it though. Oh.
Now that's slime.
Yeah, it's so good.
Oh, this
you want to mix that with these two?
We can. Why
That's like
not?
one of them?
Yeah, we can. Why not? We can mix both of them. Why not?
See, this is real slime.
We got 4 pounds. We got 6 pounds of slime right here.
This is fake slime.
Real slime, fake. Because this wasn't covered up.
But those were though.
Yeah, those were. And I don't know, y'all. Well, anyways, like I said, this video get at least 8 likes. We're gonna drop another slime video tomorrow. Bang! We about to I'm gonna set the camera up. We about to mix all these slimes and make some giant bubbles. Spell them up Team Damien in the comment section down below. Spell them up Team Biannca. And spell them up Team Rodney if you are Team Rodney, man. But y'all ready for this?
Yep.
All right, let's get it, man. Let's go. Let go. Let go. All right, you got your ring on?
No. Yeah, you know I never take it off, so.
I don't ever take my ring off either. Here we go.
Try and peel the top off if you guys can.
To the top off?
Like try.
This feels nasty. Is this even healthy?
Look how the bottom is.
Ugh.
That's
Oh,
slime.
The bottom. Oh.
I think you just gotta mix it up.
God, I have to see this up close in person.
Go show them.
Look at the bottom.
Oh, it does look good under. Maybe like Ronnie said, just mix it.
Yeah, just gotta mix it.
Oh, it do look good under.
They need to see up close in person. They have to see up close in person. They have to see what we see. Look at this, y'all. Look at the bottom.
Wow.
Squishy. So how yours looking? It looks like some throw up, man.
It looks all sticky.
Look at this, y'all. If I flip it over.
Ooh.
Ew.
What's in this? What is that?
What is what?
That.
Oh, beads.
He said, what is
I had a little
that?
surprise in here.
That's some beads. He said, wait. wait.
It's like he got scared.
What you thought it was?
I don't know.
Okay, can I mix it?
Yeah.
This one?
Yep. That's the real slime.
That's the real boy.
Oh. Okay. That look like, you know what this slime, you know what this look like?
Elephants.
Y'all ever seen Alien vs Predator?
Yeah.
It looked like the predator. It looked like the alien. Like the alien, like their skin color. That was really weird, but yeah. I just had to throw it out there.
Okay.
Mixing all the slimes.
Ooh, you see it? Right here.
Satisfying.
Waste washing?
Mix those together in like one container.
Satisfying slime. Ooh, he mixing them.
Okay, Dad, can I mix mine with yours?
Yep. Let's get this out the way. Oh! Let me put this over here. Oops, sorry.
Sorry.
Ugh. You having fun in this slime, this dude.
Okay.
I like this green down here.
It did look nice though.
Oh.
It look, he had pink and green. We have pink and green.
Oh, pink and green, pink and green.
It's like kiwi.
Oh, I love kiwi.
Strawberry?
Yeah, but this over here looks better than that.
Yeah.
He said, what am I doing?
Okay.
Is it hard?
No, it ain't hard.
You breathing extra heavy, you good?
Okay, come over here.
I'm sick, man.
You want to put it on the table?
What?
That look good.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you want to mix that in?
Let's put it on the table.
You see how that's looking?
And then we'll mix it in on the table.
Oh. Yeah, that look good. You good? Struggle?
Help! You
Okay.
guys, get out!
We trying. We trying.
That's heavy.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Okay, there we go, guys.
Satisfying.
Okay, we got it.
This blob.
Okay, mix that over here, Rodney. Ooh, this is so cool.
We actually made more slime than this, guys, but our other slime that we made, we end up throwing it away because it didn't work out.
Yeah. Oh my god.
This is a giant blob. Oh my
You gotta
god.
come over here.
I gotta come over there and make some giant bubbles.
Yeah.
Roll out the table.
Roll off the table.
Slide right off.
All right, who wanna attempt to make the first bubble? Oh!
Right off the bat.
Off the it look like throw up.
Looks like gum.
You do down under.
Oh!
Okay, let me try one more.
I think we about to make some giant bubbles.
It's too thick. It's like it's like how we did ours yesterday or the day before, whatever.
Probably we gotta mix it up.
Yes.
Maybe if you are. Oh.
It's too thick.
Oh. Yo, this is crazy, yo. Wanna try it, Rodney? Go ahead. Good luck, my friend. Good luck.
Let me see. I'm trying to get some.
Alright, let's see.
See what you got.
Oh, you gotta do it.
Hold on.
Oh, look, got a little one.
Hold on.
Step up.
Nope.
Oh.
Nope.
Move your foot. Okay, go ahead. Now go.
Alright, so
You need to mix it.
yeah, mix it a little bit.
Ew, that smells like throw up, like the color.
Oh my god. It's harder than it looks.
It's harder than it looks. I'm gonna make the biggest one.
You probably are.
God.
You gotta try to make it thin as possible when you pull it.
Alright.
And you gotta pull, remember, close together. You pull too far apart.
Close together?
Yeah.
And make it thin.
Yeah.
Like thinner than that.
Thinner than this.
Try it. Go ahead. Like, yeah, like that. Like, thinner than that.
Okay, go. Go. Oh, almost.
Small. Very small.
Y'all wanna try to make the big, ouch. I keep hitting my
You
head.
take that thing down, it's gonna fall on
I keep,
I had like 20 times on that.
oh. Yeah.
Oh.
Let me try it.
Okay, you can try, baby.
Let me see how, you know.
Show us how it's done. Look, he said, let me gather all of it.
Oh, snap. Oh, okay, I need some other one. It's ripping.
Nope.
Why is it ripping for?
You have to pick like certain parts of it, I think.
That's what what you do to the slime, Robin?
There's about 10 different slimes in there.
Oh, this might be a fail.
No, if I could do it, you could do it.
The slime that's on this side is not really working out.
What, you want some more?
No,
You gonna add some glue or something? Activator?
guys, it might be over with. Oh, it might be over with. What if we try to make like the biggest slime bubble? What if we like cut this in half? Somebody grab one end, I grab the other end, and we like this.
Oh, like,
Does that make sense?
yeah, I see what you're saying. Like, kind of like get the air in it.
Yep.
Okay, that's a little nice little bubble.
It's not doing what I want it to do. Ah.
Looks like a big glob just sitting there.
Why? Like it looks like throw up.
It looks like gum.
Throw up slime.
Ew, if you guys get real close to it, you can see like everything in it.
Beads and all.
Yep.
Looks like
Oh.
throw up slime. Yep, this is a fail.
Nuh-uh, let me do it.
All right, hold up. Let me try to take some of this away. I wonder if we can. Let me go over here and try to do it. Cause that blob is super big. Nope, it's not doing what I want.
Why'd you grab it like that?
I need to be thin like this.
But then the hole.
It's over with.
It's not working?
No, you can try it.
Let me try again.
You can.
Okay.
I'm failing.
You're a failure.
You're a failure. We're all failures.
I didn't fail.
We can fail together. Let's see what you got. Oh, you try to be like me.
No one trying to be like you.
Oh. Come here, baby. Oh, you too. Come here.
It is not working, bro.
It's not working.
You need some more glue or something.
You might have to make some new slime.
It's just fun just to play it.
Yep. Yeah, it's fun to play in.
Aw,
Yep.
I got it.
I think Biannca won, guys. She tried to. Go over there. Try to make some rock. Ugh, that look deformed. Ugh, that look deformed.
I don't like this color.
Why did it? Yeah, I was about to say. Why did it turn out this color?
I don't know. I think it's because like when you mix like, I told you it's going to turn like a brownish color.
A brownish.
Because pink and green don't make a color.
This dude over there struggling.
I got it.
Can't make a bubble with that slime over there.
Let me see.
This oh, it's still some color up under here. We ain't mixed it good enough. Can I feel this slime? Oh yeah, this is the real slime, y'all.
This one don't make bubbles.
Oh yeah, that one. Oh no, you could just go ahead and mix that if you like. So what we gonna do with this slime now?
We're gonna throw it away.
Throw it away?
What else we gonna do with it?
You know how heavy this is? This is a fail, ain't it?
Yep.
Oh!
A little bit.
Oh, that's bigger than my head.
Don't
Oh.
ever say you can't do something.
Oh!
Looks like a brain.
Oh!
Man, right now.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Don't
she
ever
going there.
say you can't.
Okay, I think I can.
Okay.
I think I
Go.
can.
You can. Say I can.
I can.
I can.
I think I can.
Yep, there you go.
I think I can.
I think I can.
I know
think
I can.
Okay. You got it.
Let me try this again.
Ronnie, now you see that over there dripping on the floor. Okay, see? You got it?
I can.
There's a song to that, isn't there?
I know I can.
I think I can. I think I can.
My thing is, what's that song called, Rodney? Be what I want to be.
That's Nas, ain't it?
If I work hard at it.
Yeah, that's Nas.
Oh, that would have been good, but
It's over with.
not over with. If I could do it, you could do it.
Over with. I don't think I can do it no more. All right. I'm gonna try a couple more times, guys, and then it's over with. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Not working.
Come on, you.
You mad?
Big mad.
He big mad? See, now you fighting it.
Get back with me.
Damien. Is it ever that serious?
I'm okay, guys. I'm okay. That's slime. Oh, go ahead. You can have this back. Oh,
Dirty.
go ahead. Nope, it's over with.
Over.
It's over with.
How's it over with?
Cause we have to throw this away now.
Why?
Okay, Rodney trying, I see you. Nope. Oh!
It's hard.
Oh, you got twins.
Congratulations.
Well, guys, today was a fail, but we still was able to, I got it all on my arm and stuff. Today was definitely a fail. We're probably gonna make some fresh slimes tomorrow, and we also probably gonna go to the store and get like some jars. Should we get like some, this is some
small jars?
Yeah, it's like save the slime, like put it like in an actual jar container.
Oh yeah, then of course like for real sealed.
And no air can get in. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it at least 8 thumbs up. And we're gonna see you guys later on for the next video. We are out. Peace. Everybody say bye to the video.
Bye.